Welcome to Tool Time. Today I'm going to talk about Automator. Automator is an app that's been built into macOS for a long time, but a lot of people don't seem to be using it or may not have even heard of it. So Automator is really powerful, and it can do all sorts of things. And to just kind of like show you the sorts of things it's capable of, here is what you see when you first start the app. So you can create a workflow. It says can be run from within Automator. This is just like basically recording a bunch of stuff you want to do that you would have to do manually that it can automate for you. It can run it all for you. Application actually creates a little app icon that you can drag files and folders onto, and then it operates on them. Quick actions are just kind of shorter things that can be added to Finder or the touch bar or the services menu. You've got print plugins, you can do dictation stuff, but the one that I'm going to do today is folder action, to just kind of like show off a really simple use of Automator and how useful it can be. So folder action basically means that you attach an automation to a folder. So what I want to do today is I'm going to set it up so that anytime I download a GIF, it automatically moves it to my GIFs folder, because that's important, obviously. So first thing I want to do is I want to create a new filter plugin thingy. So I want to filter Finder items, and I basically want to say anytime I find any GIF, which is something where the file extension is GIF. Anytime that I have a new file added to my file system and the file extension is GIF, then what I want to do after that is I want to move it. So I will do move Finder items, add that, and I will say move it to other. We'll say let's create a subdirectory in the desktop called GIFs. So I'll just create one right there, name it GIFs, choose it, there it is. And the other thing that I have to make sure that I do is just choose which folder I want this Automator to watch. So I will choose the downloads folder anytime I download anything. So I will save this, name it move my GIFs, and then what I can do here, where I randomly have this super weird GIF, I can just do save image as. You can see that it wants to save it to my downloads. I'll save it, it saves it, and instead of appearing in my downloads, it goes to this GIFs folder on my desktop because I set it up to do that. So that's just a really simple use case for what you could use Automator for, but it can really do all kinds of crazy things. If you ever find yourself doing monotonous tasks that you just sort of wish that you could automate away and have a robot do it for you, then chances are Automator has a pretty good solution for it. So check it out.